I'm not saying that phones just as good as modern day cameras, but these days I find myself more than ever using my phones to capture some stunning visuals. And in today's video I will be sharing with you my tips to capture better looking images. Let's go on a day trip to this island in Turkey. For this day trip, I only took my phone and this foldable gimbal from Hohem with its crazy artificial intelligence built-in camera. Having a good stabilizer helps me to make my regular videos look like a pro video. Yes, you can make handheld videos anytime, but if you want to really enhance the quality, then you need a good gimbal for it. And let's be honest, you don't want to always be carrying your heavy cameras, lenses, or a tripod all day long.
And this is a perfect solution for this tiny gimbal.
Now let's start with the first move, pan, track, and shot. Simply rotate your gimbal or phone if you're filming handheld so the camera follows the object horizontally. I just love using this move, especially to create a parallax effect. Just make sure you keep your main subjects in one spot throughout the whole shot. In this case, you will achieve that 3D movement when the foreground and the background move at different speeds.
Look, I can walk just like this along the street and film all these buildings without any problems, do a little parallax effect, and then just go like boom, you see? And film something else. Look, just like this car, and I can follow it, just run a little bit. Yeah, you see I'm just running, but the footage is still stable.
And now it's time for my currently favorite shot. I call it macro reveal. Just have a look.
Guys, just check it out. This is crazy. Look, these are oranges. They just grow here in the streets, so many of them. Let me try to film them. And I have the camera on the side also, so you can see from the distance how it looks. So let's try to film these flowers because they look just so beautiful. The colors are popping, and what I want to do is to turn on the wide angle view, come really close to a flower, an object like this, and then do a reveal. So I go really fast, I go backwards, and I reveal the street. Okay, now maybe the first take was not as good as our second one, so let's try again. And also we can do something like this, you know, I'm always looking for new angles. I can go and rotate the camera like this and the footage looks really stable. Now let's try to do it again. We come really close with wide angle lens to an object. And now we are ready and let's go. Just like this. And we get this street reveal. This is one of the techniques. Now let's move on and I will show you what this camera here is for, because this gimbal has a unique feature that I have not seen on other products, so let's go.
So on top of the gimbal, there is a camera with built-in artificial intelligence. It's not just a gimmick, it's a unique technology that actually works. But first, I want to show you another move that I use a lot, even on bigger cameras. It's filming close to the ground. Once again, you can go handheld with this technique or just rotate your Hohem gimbal upside down. That easy.
Now what's really cool about this gimbal, I can also go to low angle mode and I can film really close to the ground, look just like this. Oh my god, every building I'm looking at is just so unique, so colorful. It's just like a movie set. You can film everywhere and anywhere. You just point the camera and it looks good. Also, what's interesting here, let me zoom in to show you. Okay, this is X1 and X3 camera. So you see how like one hill with the trees goes up to here, then there is no trees, and then we have another forest over there. So they cut out these trees in the middle, so if the wildfire occurs, then it does not spread too much and this area would be preserved. Really smart move. Guys, I'm just walking, enjoying all this nature, beautiful weather, and I cannot believe my eyes. Look here. What on earth is this bird, huh? What are you? All right, now let me show you guys this special feature I was teasing to you. This is really amazing and I have not seen anything like it on other products. So all I have to do is just I press this button on top. So right here there's a button on this gimbal and now this secret function is turned on. Now let me show you. So all I have to do is just stand like this and I show this gesture to the camera. Yeah, works, huh? Look, I walk here, then if I want to go down, let's say, it keeps on following me. And this is really crazy, guys. I'm not using any applications. Can you believe it? I'm not using any apps. You see, like I'm going up, going down. It just keeps on following me. And I can go here or into another side of the frame. It's just really useful if you're filming like architecture or something indoors and you want to just walk around your area like this to show your viewer some details or, you know, the perspective, like panorama shots. You can do so as well. As you see, I'm not having any other people helping me. I just put my main camera on the backpack and then the phone is on the gimbal and I'm ready to go. Can you believe it? It's super useful for travel content as well that allow you, oh wait, hold on, it lost the track of me. Let me just come back to the frame like this. Are we back online? No, it stopped. So now I have to show like this again. And yeah, we're back in the game, baby. If I wanted to stop, all I have to do is just show like this and it will stop tracking. If I want to go and track me again, I show this gesture and it keeps on following me. Let's just figure it out how far I can walk without it losing me. So yeah, it's still on me. I think it's still following me. Yeah, so it's probably around like 10 meters between me and the gimbal, which is fairly far away also. I'm not sure if you need to walk further than that, especially if you're filming like indoors. Look, I'm going down, it moves down, I'm going back up, it follows me. Probably it's gonna lose me if I walk that far away. Yeah, you see, it just lost me. So I guess we need to do it again. We need to come up back to the camera. We need to show this gesture like this. Hold on. Yeah, like this. And we're back on track. And I can really, like, you know, walk around the camera, walk around my setup. It does not go 360 degrees. It stops right before 360. I would say it's like 270 degrees rotation. But yeah, still it works fairly good. Look, I'm just walking around showing you guys this area without any problems. Now let's walk another way around to see how far we can go. Yeah, it's almost 360 degrees. What you guys think? Okay, now guys, a special feature. I'm using selfie camera, not the main camera on the iPhone. I have to just press this button on top of the gimbal to activate artificial intelligence. Now I'm not using any apps or anything. All I have to do is just show like this to the camera, to the gimbal I mean, and now it keeps on following me. Look, I just walk here. I can have like, you know, a tour or something or show you interior, let's say, and the gimbal is keeping on track on me. This is really crazy and I'm not using any application. This is why it's so, you know, unique in my opinion. I've not seen anything like this on other products because usually you tend to have some sort of an app or something in order for the product to track you, but this is just the camera on the gimbal itself and I'm using default camera app and I can just walk like this and stay in the frame. This is really crazy. Just really unique feature in my opinion. What you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below.
So overall, I have to say that I'm very impressed by this gimbal. Not only it provides regular features as most of the products on the market, but also it brings something very unique as its AI camera. I didn't expect it to work that well. And the best part about it, I did not need any apps. It just works. There are also some other gestures that flip the phone vertically or horizontally, and that means you still can use the tracking for your live videos on Instagram or some other social platforms. Thank you so much for watching. All the gear list in the description below. Leave your comments with your thoughts about this product in the comment section, and now we'll see you next time. Bye bye.